good people. I hope you guys are fantastic. I am fantastic also. I hope you've had a good day. Today Joy anataka kuonyesha kitu special, something for your breakfast, something that is fast, something that if you're one of the people who wake up very early in the morning and need to go to work, you can do it very fast and you enjoy a healthy breakfast that gives you energy through the day up to the next meal or snack that you have. And so I hope you get to enjoy it because it is called mango ice cream. Na sasa tuko season ya maembe na kuambia watu si tutajibamba na maembe. Maembe kwanza tule tudogo, very sweet. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. You're going to use your mangoes for this particular recipe. Na kwa nini tuna waste time? Tuende kazi. So for this mango ice cream recipe, we're going to use mangoes. These particular mangoes, I froze them yesterday night. You cut them into pieces, put them in a plate and put them in the freezer so that they can freeze. I love me some flax seeds. You don't have to use these flax seeds and chia seeds. So nimezimix zote pamoja. So you can use flax seeds and chia seeds together. This is not a must. This is just because I love to use these ones because they have proteins and minerals that I require. And of course you will need some nice natural yogurt and I love mine from Brookside. It is the best. I love it. So this is what we're going to use, and of course a cup for my ice cream. So this recipe is very simple. First and foremost, we're going to take our mangoes, our frozen mangoes. Naona hata ukishika inatoka pamoja, so you can place that inside and probably just gonga it a little ndio iingie vizuri like that. You can add in a little bit more like that. Take your yogurt. I normally have a portion of the yogurt that I use, which is around 175. I don't use too much. I don't try to do a quarter. So I'll use a little. Now I'm able to measure with my eyes, but that would be like a quarter cup of the yogurt. So because I want to fast blend it, I'll put that much. If I need to add, nisukume ndani kidogo. If I need to add it, I will definitely do that. So that's my yogurt. Let's see how much, if I'll need more yogurt. So that's your frozen mango yogurt. This portion can go for 2 people, or even if you want more, you could add it for yourself. It doesn't have to be for one person. That is full, and you can see bado sijamaliza kutoa. Unaona yote? All this is yours. All this is still yours. So this is some nice yogurt that you can have on the go. You can I call it mango ice cream. It's something you can have on the go. You can add, for extra nutrients, you can add your chia seeds and your flax seeds in the amount that you like. I like to add not too much, but also just enough. Let me just add a little bit more. I love how they taste like. And you mix it up. If you have those cups that you can carry into a matatu, or a cup that you can carry into your car, this is nice because when you let it sit for some time, the seeds have a lot of nutrients that get into the yogurt. As much as even when they get into your body at this point, they're okay, but I love it when you let it sit for some time, and then you can have it as you are on the move, or when you get to the office. Not complicated, right? Hii kitu haina complications. This is my mango ice cream added with some flax seeds and some chia seeds, and you can get to enjoy it with all the seeds that you like. If you want to put in some grapes, that are not blended, just cut into the yogurt, that's okay. Haja yako kubwa ni ati it's natural yogurt. And now that we have mangoes and they're in season, they are very sweet. We don't need to add honey into this, so just enjoy it with the mangoes or enjoy it with some grapes. It's your choice, but this is my mango ice cream with some flax seeds and chia seeds. So this is a very good breakfast, very healthy, and I hope you get to enjoy it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe on this channel if you love it, and share it with your friends. Let me know what you think, and if you want me to try out something that you are not sure about or you don't know about, I am here, man. I'm here for all of it. I'm a foodie. I love to cook. Allow me to show you some of the things I've learned over the years, and if it's something new that you think I don't know about, please let me know. I'll do a little bit of research, and then I'll give it to you easy, because me, I like easy things that we can understand. So enjoy your day, and God bless you. Remember, be a legend and a hero. For who? Yourself. Always yourself. Have a good day. God bless you. Mwah! Ciao. Na mwacha ni enjoy my mango ice cream. Tamu sana. Today, I want to give my special thanks to my fans, people who watch my videos, people who try out my recipes and show me pictures, inbox me, message me, encourage me even on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the encouragement. This journey of weight loss and having a healthy lifestyle is not an easy one, but one that we can do. If you've lived all your years doing things a different way and now you're trying to change into another way, it is definitely very new. And I know this is not just for me, but also for some of you out there. Thank you so much for holding me accountable, ensuring that I am on the journey, and thank you also for keeping on the journey. When you try out the recipes, it means you're also doing it. So I really do appreciate you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Let's create a healthy lifestyle Kenya. Sisi tuko Kenya, lakini wengine wako abroad pia, si ndio? Sisi wote in this world, if you can only do something good for yourself, something positive for yourself, you'll always be a positive person for the next person who requires it. So I really do appreciate you, and that's why I keep saying, remember to be a legend and a hero for yourself. Because if you're not a legend and a hero for yourself, who are you going to be for? You can't be for anybody else if you don't start with you, Cindy. So thank you so much. Thank you. I'm just sending all of you love. Loads of love from Joy here, and I'm so appreciative. And continue to watch, like, share, subscribe, love on me so that I can continue to love on you. And I do appreciate you people. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.